Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into this video. So this video is going to be another BoxyCharm PR haul. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription where you can get 5 full-size beauty products with an average of $175 for just $25 a month. I think it's really good because you get to try out 5 full-size products for $25 a month. I had other beauty subscription boxes, but I think this one is definitely worth it now. And you're getting a mix between skincare and makeup items. BoxyCharm comes every month and you can upgrade to Premium or Luxe or BoxyLuxe once you're subscribed to BoxyCharm base box. Well, let's get into this video. So here is the box. This is August's box. I did decide to go and purchase the base box as well, so I will start getting those and I will be doing a comparison of both boxes. Anyways, let's just get into this video. Here's the box right here, and here are the products. So let's just dive right in. I'm so thankful and so thank you to BoxyCharm for letting me get PR. I am such a small channel that I've been getting a lot of other little PR packages, and I will explain those in another video coming up, so stay tuned for that one. So in this video, so in this box, you get the little card here, and this is BoxyCharm Go All Out, and you're getting 5 products in here. And they want to make sure you tag BoxyCharm All Out just to get a chance to be featured. So the first item I'm seeing is this Laura Geller Casual Collection Multi Eyeshadow Palette. I love when I get eyeshadow palettes. It's so cool because who doesn't want an eyeshadow palette? I've been kind of like on a no buy right now because I've got a lot going on and I haven't really been able to buy all the new items that's been coming out, but that's okay because I have to go through this and get rid of a lot. Anyways, I'm rambling. So this is the Casual Collection, Keep It Casual. This is the packaging. It's really cute. I love the little aesthetic, the flowery aesthetic that it has. Here's the palette here. Looks like there's a little dust or something on it. Let me open it. So it's another neutral type of palette. Here are the colors here. But thank you anyways, BoxyCharm. This retails for $45. The next item is Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic XLash Enhancer. So that is this item right here. It says this exclusive formula featuring a patent peptides complex is natural, safe to use. Wow effect by providing length and volume. So it's to help grow your lashes. I will definitely use this because right now I have on individuals, they're clusters, that's what I have on because I wanted them done because we went out of town a couple weeks ago, and I will be doing a Jacksonville little type of video for you guys, little Jacksonville getaway type of video. But I got my lashes done, and I love it because it makes me look like I have lashes. So this is it's a growth Probiotic XLash Enhancer. So this will be kind of cool to use. I will keep this item. I will definitely use it too. Let's see what it looks like. It's just a lash serum. I've used these before and they do work. Yep. There it is there, and it's probably like in a, yep. And this retails for $68. Wow, that's really expensive for this. Drop it like it's hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smoothen all over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm guarana, to energize carrot root extracts to hydrate, plus grapeseed jojoba oil to soften skin. Okay, so caffeine and coffee, that does really great wonders for your skin. Here's what the item looks like. Let's see if there's a smell to it, because it has all those. Oh, yeah. It smells just like coffee. Wow. Okay, so this is gonna be nice on the butt. Very, very cool. I will try it out and see how that one goes too. Pop and Lock Booty Drop. I like the name of that. Very, very catchy, very cute. So 3 items. The next item is Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Oh, so this is a lip butter by Truly Beauty. I've got other items that I ordered from them. I used my friend Caddy, Pete's friend Caddy. I will link her down below. You can use her code to get some money off of your purchase. This is a lip butter. Soak in the benefits of hemp, jojoba, vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips. It smells really good. It's cute. I love the packaging of this. And that retails for $16. The last item I got was Manicadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. Face mists are great for your face. This one is Soothe and Refresh Tired Skin with a mist prep skin for hydrating base before makeup application. Okay, so this is a good face mist that you can use before your makeup application. Here. And this retails for $19. So let's add it up and see how much everything in this box costs. So this box retails for $165.95. That is really good for 5 items. You can get all these really good products. I got about 2 makeup items, 3 if you want to save the skin mist. But you know what, it's good because it's a great way to try out new products that are coming out, and if you ever wanted to try them, I definitely recommend BoxyCharm. So I want to say thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for gifting me August's PR box. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of your little team. I am super excited. I just want to keep on growing my channel. I know I haven't been that dedicated, but I will be back soon, and I will be trying to push out 2 to 3 videos per week. I just have a lot going on. Yeah, that's it. And so thank you everybody for coming back to my channel, and a happy new moon. And that's it for tonight. Good night everybody. Bye.